Hello and welcome. In today's class, we'll see how we can download and set up Python in our Windows computer. So for that, first of all, you need to head over to your favorite web browser and open the website python.org. This is Python's official website. Here you will find the download section and you can choose Windows option here. So once you select Windows, you have this button. So click on this button and the downloading starts. And once the downloading completes, you can click on Open File. Now you can close the web browser and you can select these options and click on Install Now. If prompted, click Yes. So as you can see, in few minutes the setup is complete. Now you can close it and now you can launch the idle, which is the default IDE for Python that you get when you install Python from the official website. And here you can test Python commands like I can write print 2 plus 5 and it prints 7. So you can test various Python commands. If you want to write a program, you can go to the file menu and click on new file and you can save it. So go to file, click on save, and let's say I want to save it in the downloads folder. So select downloads and you can type a file name test.py. So Python files end with .py file extension. You click on save and here you can type your program. So for example, A equals 5, B equals 4, and let's say I want to find the product of these two numbers. So I can take P equals A into B and then I can print the product. So I can write with message product equals, and then I convert this product into a string so that I can concatenate it, and our program is complete. Click on save. Now to run this program, go to the run menu and click on run module, or you can also use the shortcut key F5 and here you will get the output. So that's the entire process. I hope you have understood how to download and set up Python in your Windows computer. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next class.